How to log in to Twitch account. Now if you want to log into Twitch, you just simply need to open any of the browser that you use and there search for Twitch. And after searching Twitch in your browser, you will see this first link of twitch.tv. Tap to twitch.tv or you can see this login option directly from here. Just simply select any of those. For ease, just pick login button. And after tapping in there, this page log in to Twitch will appear in your screen. You just simply need to enter your username and password which is associated with the Twitch account that you want to log in, and after that hit the login button. Then you will successfully be logged in to the Twitch. Or you can just simply continue with Google, Amazon or Apple and select respected accounts for any of those and you will automatically be logged in to the Twitch. So these are the methods to log into your Twitch account. If this video have been helpful to you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.